Hey yo, I just caught my first fucking bird ever, nigga. I got this nigga in my hands, nigga. Fuck is you going, little nigga? You stuck. Say hi to the gram, nigga. I got a fucking bird in my hand, nigga. Yo, I'm the king of these fucking animals, bree. Fuck is you talking about? Too drunk for this shit. Hey yo, chirp, nigga. Chirp for the gram, nigga. Make some fucking noise for the gram, nigga. Make some fucking noise for the gram, cause you my first bird I ever caught, nigga. Fuck's you talking about? Small ass, I ain't even gonna eat you, nigga. Still trying to think what I should do to your ass. You just caught a fucking bird, G. What the fuck? Who am I? Yo, I be king of all these fucking animals, bruh. Sit down. So this is what I do when I catch a bird, nigga. Give him a little bit of bird food, nigga. Chirp that shit, nigga. Eat that shit, you see that? I know that's what the fuck you want. Hooker.